Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming source and target languages, because accuracy depends on that choice. Once done, prepare captions in SRT, VTT, or timed TXT. This reduces auto-detection errors. Next, upload your video and select quality and processing presets that match your platform. Make sure to enable transcription and machine translation options. Choose human review only if you need higher fidelity. You'll see an upload progress bar. Wait for processing before moving on to the next step. You run automatic transcription first, so you have a clean transcript to translate. Then apply machine translation and load any glossary or preferred terms to keep brand voice consistent. Once translated, use the tool's auto-sync to align captions to the video timeline. Manually nudge segments where speech overlaps or timing is off. Make sure to preview in the player with each target language and fix segmentation or punctuation errors before exporting to avoid awkward line breaks or mistranslations. You finalize by exporting captions as SRT or VTT, or choose burned-in subtitles if a fixed track is required. Then test the resulting file on your target platforms and devices. Verify encoding, line breaks, and font readability. If captions are out of sync, resync timestamps and re-export. If translations sound off, rerun translation with an updated glossary or adjust machine settings. One troubleshooting tip: when timings drift, regenerate alignment from the original transcript rather than editing timestamps by hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.